Let's have a look at project cards in the projects area in SciNote. If you are a team owner or a normal user, you can create new projects. You can give them a name, you can grant access to your colleagues, and you can decide which role they will have as a group. Once you have created a project, you can click on the three dots and edit the title of the project or the user role and save. Additionally, you can manage access. For example, you can add a specific colleague and assign it a specific role. If you are an administrator, you can add yourself in any given project. For example, here, click on the three dots, access. I will search for my name and I will add myself as an owner. Additionally, if you click again on the three dots, you can move a project to a specific folder that you have created just by clicking Move. You can also export the project data as a zip folder. This will arrive to you via email and it will have all the data that you have already in that specific project. If you are a project owner, you can also archive it. You can additionally add comments to the specific project cards, and you can view the activities related to this specific project. Now, you can also select the checkbox, and the same toolbar that we saw here in the three dots will appear here at the bottom. Remember that as a team owner, you can select a project, you can archive it, and then you can switch from the active state to the archived state in case you want to restore your project. Select it and restore. And now you can switch back to the active state.